So the hardest part of digging a trench is when you get tired and you get hot and you get sweaty and there's roots and there's rocks. But you know what? If you believe you can do this, I promise you can do it. And you just got to keep at it. Just keep working. Try to keep a smile. Even if your helpers are really tired. Yeah, it's pushing almost 90 out here. First day in a long time. So it's pretty warm. And this soil's muddy and it's heavy. And there's a lot of tree roots. But it's okay. Just chop them. The shovel usually can chop them. What makes things really hard sometimes is just a little brick. One little brick, one little rock. And you can't put your shovel down in the ground. So you gotta work a little harder. But hey, we'll get this. So once you get your lateral done from the downspout over to your main line, you feel pretty good. And hopefully you have a great wife or a great girlfriend. And don't forget, bring them some flowers because they really appreciate what you do. And I always think about it.
You know, I'm a great believer in people and their abilities. The things that people can do are truly amazing. And that's why you hear me say, if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do this. One of the other things that just amazes me is that with these little pipes that we're putting in, you know, they're 4 inches in diameter and they move so much water. Of course, there does come a point when the 4-inch pipe can no longer handle any more water. You know, after a 5-inch rainfall in less than an hour, well, that pipe's filled to capacity. Whether it's PVC, corrugated, perforated, it doesn't matter. There does come a point when these little pipes just can't function anymore. And that's usually when the road looks like this.
You know, we post a different video most every day because we have a different job every day. We have 3 franchises, so we've got Miami, Raleigh, Charlotte, and of course here in Orlando. So the rainwater drainage system, there's so many ways to solve a problem. There is no right or wrong way. Each job is different, but the results are the same. You know, whether you run corrugated pipe, PVC, or French drain, as long as you solve the problem, great. I think that's what it's all about, right? Is being able to move that water away from the area that's giving you trouble. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.